Stay active, welcome to Cook and Vibe Day and Night Kitchen with the one ghetto president. Yeah, that. Today, people be cooking some pepper steak. Fully active, my father. Cook and Vibe. Yes, people. Some pepper steak we are cook up today, you understand? So we got our steak there. We're going to use the rump steak. Chop that on that board there. So we need some scallion, some garlic, some scotch bonnet, some brown onion, and the seasonings we're going to be using is a little bit of all-purpose. I don't really like using this one, but we'll use a little tiny bit of it. This one here, the reason I'm using this, it's got garlic powder and everything, and it's like an all-purpose seasoning same way. And we got a little paprika and some cayenne pepper. You see me? Yeah, I ate that. We're there in our kitchen. Yeah, we have the ghetto president in our kitchen. You see me? Last time we was in the kitchen was in Ochi.
That is it.
Yeah, when we did the saltfish and them thing there.
Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see. You know,
Back in the kitchen.
Back in the kitchen, you see me, I say.
Yeah, man, a peppered steak we are dealing with today.
You see me, I say.
Yeah.
So you know, you hear that everything there.
My
You
thing.
understand?
All right, so first, I'm gonna chop up the steak. Rump steak we're using. You can use any steak for your pepper steak, you know what I'm saying?
Dumpling in the morning.
Yeah.
I eat it with all a piece of saltfish.
Yeah.
And drink all a cup of tea.
Yeah.
My father wake up and a pack of crackers, couple of them, and a cup of tea and gone already.
Yeah, cause I feel like when you eat too much in the morning time, we're just talking about eating too much food in the morning time, people. In a good for you.
Your appetite, give us some fruits in the morning.
Yeah.
You know, an apple.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah.
A banana. You know what I say?
One little cup of chicken soup or something.
Or something, you know what I say? Yeah.
Yeah.
I even go to school at morning time. Never usually get that big breakfast.
No,
I just get an egg sandwich.
Yeah.
You know, I get an egg sandwich, and from me get the egg sandwich,
I eat that.
I eat that. And a cup of tea, and I'm going to school.
Yeah.
You see me?
We chop up the meat there, people. We have the seasonings there. You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to take off some of the fat off of this guy, you know. I will stay when I like to eat too much of the fat, you know. So I bust off some of the fat off it, you know it go. Some people like the fat still will eat, but you know it go. Them say the fat to cover your heart, so. No tie for this. When you cook them.
Healthiness, I deal with today.
Healthiness, yeah. Right. So I keep it clean, people.
Yeah, next people, I'll chop up some scallion. You know what I mean? That is it. See the meat there, washed and clean. That is it. I see a little garlic next.
Yeah, garlic and feed the food, you know, that antibiotic.
True. Yeah. I remember we were in the cold weather now, people. Yeah, we haven't been on in Jamaica no more over there, England.
People that like cook with garlic, that means something wrong with them.
True.
See, everything will go on all like season, them onion, everything.
Yeah.
All the pepper time.
Yeah.
You see it?
One thing. You bring that Scots bonnet from Jamaica, you know?
All the way from yard. From yard to the UK. You see
Same that? Time you reach, this pepper reach.
Pepper you reach, you see it?
Yeah, it's been in the fridge ever since and it's still good.
So I say, you know the thing of people, we have to do the thing the right way.
True. That is it. See it there, people? Yeah. Seasoned up. That is it. The next, going with some dry seasoning. You don't know. This, I always tell you every time I use it, we'll heap of garlic powder and them things. When you smell it, it's like garlic powder and onion powder and a proper all-purpose seasoning. So cayenne pepper, little paprika, and some all-purpose maybe. Yeah, that is it. I would advise people, if you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing, press that like button, get the video moving. Day in our kitchen, one ghetto president, you know? Listen, if you ain't checked out our new song, it's going off. Yeah, it's been posted on my short, so if you go onto my short videos, you'll see it. I'm gonna post it on my main page as well. Crazy, it's called Confessions.
Yo, bad man, you bad man, that's why you move, bro. No, that girl a take man for poppy show. I introduce her to my family, even bring her to my home. You think you know her? Them girl, they always there, road a room. Yo, hold on there, make me call up on the phone.
Please leave a message.
You saw me a talk about you going like you're not get
I
it.
sent a message from this morning, I don't know she hasn't read it.
Zimmy, the WYFL rhythm by DJ Mac and Crash Dummy. You don't know, the big viral rhythm. We put out a little clip. You understand? We just done a little thing, put out a little clip. Boom, we put it out. It went mad. You don't know, the song's got authorized by the producers, so it's getting released properly. Zimmy, all last night, we there. We build our next song. Yo, Abia Works. Yeah, man, man. Beer Works last night we clout another song, and if you check out the Confession song and see how we deal with the rhythm, the same way we deal with the new rhythm.
See how we construct it, man.
Yeah.
People.
Nah, man.
Normal, you hear that?
You hear that?
Loud.
In the kitchen.
I want to bust the clothes.
That is it.
You hear that? Well spicy, you see? You know the thing as a chef, as you done do something, we want to make sure that everything clean up.
True.
You understand me? I say,
That is it.
You hear
That is it.
Cool.
See the meat there? Yeah, that is it. A cook up time now. So it looks like he's taking the meat out away from the seasonings and putting the meat in first. Right, okay. Yeah, George just say him just piece of pepper. Remind you of home, right? I'm telling you people, you get Scotch bonnet over here, but you don't know where they come from. You know, all different countries, there's something about that Jamaican Scotch bonnet. That's why I said, yo, when you're forward, bro, bring some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper for me, because that's me good for a little while. I've got 2 left. But hold on to them 2 there. See there, people. The meat I just cook up with the dry seasonings that went on it. You know, the seasonings are there. I eat that. Little water in the seasoning. Yeah. Once the meat was all browned off, now everything is in there. That is it. Peppered steak, people. One ghetto president in our kitchen. Fully active. That is it.
Cook him then, you know. Smooth.
Mad. That is it, people. See it there? It'll go out and cook down. Rice is ready. You know what I'm saying? So we're just going to cook up a little bit of pasta now as well. That is it, people. This is ready now. Pepper steak. Ghetto president style. See the gravy nice and... Yeah! A good vibes. Rice is done. Rice there ready. A bit of cheese in the pasta. Simple thing. You know what I'm saying? That is it. See it there? A good vibes. Finished product.
You see it?
One ghetto president in the kitchen.
That is it.
It's evident. That is it.
How it look?
That is it, people. Try the pepper steak. Yeah. That is it. Fully active. That is it, people. Yo, the pepper steak was bad. Big up George P. Make sure you look out for the new song, Confessions. It soon drop. You understand? Yeah, we have more songs to drop as well, so just look out. You might even get an EP. You understand? But yeah, man, you don't know, people. Big up. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button, get the video moving.